our clear proof charcoal mask. If you haven't tried this mask, you have not tried a great charcoal mask. The rosemary, the fragrances of it, the coolness, the smoothness, it goes on and it pulls out all those impurities. Just unplugs and unclogs your pores. You have not tried a mask until you've tried this clear proof. This is our #1 best-selling mask, our clear proof charcoal mask. One time and you're sold. One time. This is in our box, full-size product. So ladies, all of this in this beautiful box, you can order it starting August 15th right on my website. I'm going to show you the link down below. I'm going to preview this and we're going to put this out a couple different times so that you see this. The Beauty Box by Mary Kay. Yours only. So have a fabulous day, my beauties, and I will see you again soon.